Here's the best method that I use to help with creating new neural pathways, and it's all about data. Hi, I'm Coach LA. I'm an ADHD life coach, and I help high achieving men and women with ADHD and chronic illness find success without sacrificing their health. The method that I use that is most effective towards creating new neural pathways is trialing new things and gathering the data. We're going to trial a new habit or system twice this week, and what happens on the days that you use that thing and what happens on the days that you don't. Gather this data, store it somewhere, make mental notes of it. This data is what you're going to use to tell your brain to negotiate with it. Whenever it wants to say, oh, we don't have to do this thing, or oh, we're fine. No, the data shows we're not fine. The data shows we need to do this thing. This thing is what helps us to get things done, be more productive, and be the person that we want to be and show up in the world in the way that we want to. By analyzing the data and doing something only a couple of days a week before we start building on it, it gives your brain the touch points and that it needs to see this is why it works, this is why it doesn't work, and we can tweak things before we start trying to do it on a really consistent basis or a more frequent basis, if really is the case. And then from there, we can build on it. But awareness of what's happening, why it's working, why it's not working, is really the main step in making sure that we're creating a scaffolding and a system that works for you. So when we're creating neural pathways in the brain, we want to first start with trial and error. Let's try something new, and what does it do to your day? How does it change it? What are the things that you notice that are different? Did you notice any symptom changes? And then we want to do that a few times to see if that's a consistent thing that we find anytime we try this thing. That data is going to be your best friend, and it's going to be where you get your dopamine, and it's going to feel amazing. And then from there, we'll build on it. And eventually, the more you practice this, that builds a new neural pathway. It's building a muscle that you hadn't had before, and it's building out a system in your brain and a pathway that helps you think about something in a way that works with your brain. And so that's what I like to help my clients do. If you found this content helpful, or if you'd like to work with me, like and follow my page for more, and go to my profile and you'll see my link tree, and you can just hop on a call and we'll talk about what you're struggling with and how I might be able to help.